Hi everyone, this is Ramni Patel here, and today in this video I am going to show you how you can download and install the latest version of the Python on your laptop. So let's get started. Open your Google Chrome and then type Python. Click on welcome to python.org and then go to downloads and then click on Python 3.11.3 and you can see at the corner the Python starts downloading. Wait until the downloading process is completed. So you can see that now our downloading process is about to end. So you can see that Python is successfully downloaded on my laptop. Now install it. Go to this PC and then click on downloads, and here is the downloaded file. I want to keep it in my D drive, so I just click on cut and D drive. Here is my D drive, and then I just press Ctrl V. So now install the Python, double click on it, and now click on install now. Now Python start installing on my laptop. And you can see that setup was successful, so click on close, and now we have successfully installed the Python on our laptop. Thanks for watching.